History of courts. These are the important MCQs of history of courts. From this some questions answers I have not got. So make sure before writing the MCQ's answer. These were the first 50 MCQs. Next are the written questions, descriptive questions. Write the features of the Chaudhary Court. Chaudhary Court was an indigenous court under a village headman known as Adhikar or Adhikari. Adhikari, who was responsible for the maintenance of law and order. Adhikari administered justice to the natives at the Chaudhary Court according to the long established rules. Adhikari was the judge in Chaudhary Court who decided and deal with small civil and criminal cases. Chaudhary Court was a court of petty cases. It was not to hear the cases of grave offence which were committed by the natives. In Chaudhary Court there is no fixed procedure for the trial of cases. The Chaudhary Court was dealing with the cases of two pagodas. One pagoda is equal to gold coin. One pagoda ₹3 in the Indian currency. Explain the jurisdiction of the Admiralty Court. Admiralty was dealing with the ship and maritime cases. This court was not independent. These courts are known as maritime courts, are courts exercising jurisdiction over all maritime contracts, torts, injuries and offence. What kind of disputes were decided by the Mayor's Court? Mayor's Court, first this is the introduction. In 1688 a corporation and a Mayor's Court were established at Madras under the Charter of 1687, issued by the East India Company EIC and not by the British Crown. The Mayor's Court was a part of corporation. Then disputes decided by the Mayor's Court. Explain the concepts of White Town and Black Town. In the previous videos I have explained what is the White Town, judiciary system of the White Town. Then the Black Town. And in Black Town there were Chaudhary courts, where the head was the Adhikari as the judge. Then state the objectives of the Regulating Act of 1773. Then what is the Mufassil Diwani Adalat? In that Sadar Diwani Adalat is the superior court, and next to it is the Mufassil Diwani Adalat. Then what type of cases are dealt in the Mufassil Diwani Adalat? Personal property, inheritance, caste, marriage, debts, disputed accounts, partnership, contract and demands of rent. And this is the very important, that in Mufassil Diwani Adalat its decision was final in all suits up to the ₹500. Civil court. Superior court is Sadar Diwani Adalat SDA, then Mufassil Diwani Adalat and then Small Cause Adalat. Then what is the difference between the Mufasil Diwani Adalat and Sadar Diwani Adalat? Means civil jurisdiction.